Okay, so we got this situation to handle. You have to find out the definite integration from 0 to 1.5 of box x square. Okay, you know that we don't have any direct formula to solve these kind of situations. So what we will do, we will break down this box x function into piecewise things, and then we will respond accordingly. Suppose that box x is f of box x square is f of x. Now if the room, you know that uh, it changes its behavior at integer. So from 0 to 1, what will happen? The box, if you'll take any number from 0 to 1, this thing will become what? Less than 1. And if you'll talk about its box function, you will have output as 0. Now if you will have input from 1, it's a square, so you want what? This thing will change at 2. So 2, when we will have 2? If x is root 2. Root 2 is what? 1.414, but you have to go to till 1.5. So root 2 is allowed. So from 1 to root 2, okay, the output will be 1. Now next room, root 2 to 1.5. So in this room you will have output as 2. I hope till this part you guys are okay. Now we will solve the situation. So can we write 0 to 1 0 dx plus 1 to root 2 1 time dx plus root 2 to 1.5 2 dx. Now let's simplify things. So this thing will become 0. Now differential integration of 1 is x. So x, and then upper limit is root 2, lower limit is 1. Then 2x, upper limit is 1.5, lower limit is root 2. Now let's simplify things. So we got root 2 minus 1 plus 3 minus 2 root 2. So we got result as 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 minus root 2. Therefore, the required area under the curve is 2 minus root 2. I hope till this part you guys are okay and you guys can handle similar situations as well. Okay.